Hey guys, so it's back to the garage. So today I'm going to do the wiring for my fuel pump directly to the battery using a relay. And the idea is to use the factory wiring as the trigger. And I got to route this through the car again, which I swore I wouldn't add any more fuses or any more power lines through here, but I got another reason to. So I'm gonna have to tap into that weatherhead again and see if I can get a 12 gauge through there, which is gonna be fun. I already started pulling out everything I need to do through the car. So I had to drop this again. You can see all the wires I have for the nitrous and the wheel locks and all that stuff. So it's definitely adding a lot of more wires here. I'm trying to label as much things as possible. That's why you see the tape there. It's just kind of noting what that is here and there. And of course, everything's routed into this box, into the controller here. So I had to strip this out all the way through. It actually looks like a pretty easy project. Just kind of looking through it. So I got all this out already. So I'm just going to run that power right up to here. Probably poke a hole through here and just stage it. I gave it a new bullet hat for this that has 12 gauge going right up into here. So it'll be 12 gauge throughout. I'll probably put a 25 amp fuse in there for safety, but I won't have to worry about my fuel pump burning up here. So I don't know if you follow my G37 build, but what they run here for the power, the factory, is only 18 gauge. It's kind of sad. Maybe there's, gosh, since they run the power like all the way around this way and back, it might be over 10 feet. So, and anything over like 15 amps, I think, was starting to cook a little bit. I just started noticing it just when I upgraded my shot. I think that extra 30 horsepower from that shot is causing more demand on the fuel pump. Therefore, it was burning up that connector. So I've been running it just really light lately, trying to burn some of the gas out of it, because it was filled to the top and you can't pull that thing out with the gas tank filled, and it has an anti-siphoning setup on it too. So got it down a bit, not as much as I want, but it's about maybe 70% full, so I could pull that pump out when I get the bullet hat. So end up getting this kit because buying all these components separately costs either more or about the same. So I figured I'd go ahead and get the kit. They did a pretty good job. I mean, it's all laid out perfectly. It's 15 foot here, 5 foot on the ground, and then the heavy duty relay right here already kind of wired in. The problem though, I can see, is I'm gonna have to cut that off temporarily and then reattach it, because I can't route that the way it is now. So wire wasn't too bad. I just went like direct over to this here, wrapped it around. Here's the fuse, drops down, goes in through here, goes into that weatherhead. I put some Mr. Gasket back on the hole I had to cut through, and pulled it through underneath here, down behind here, under here, all the way through, and then this is where I'm stopping for today. So I got nitrous running underneath here too, so I gotta make sure I separate the wires and things very well, like an inch away. And I kind of went up and under and around this way with it, with the power, and then I got the relay right here. So far I got the power ran, I got the ground here. I made sure I scraped that really good. There's good connectivity for it. And I just ran this into here, so it'll be powering the pump. Next thing to do is just tap into the blue wire, the original power cord, and use that as my trigger, or my switch. So I'm going to route that through here, then back to the relay right here, and that will complete everything. So the next part of this will be installing the bullet cap. All right, that's it for now. Bye everyone.